Hello, my lovely viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. As usual, it's your baby K, a mother of 3 children from Uganda, Kampala. So, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel for more and more amazing videos. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for keeping up with me. May God bless you richly. So guys, in this video I'm going to prepare chicken with matooke. Chicken soup with smashed matooke. So I request you to stay with me, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. So actually this chicken, I raised it myself. I bought it when it was 3 days, so it has grown up to 4 months, and it was already laying eggs. But today I decided that I cut it for my children since they're going back to school. And I didn't have money to buy meat for them, so I decided to cut it. So now I'm going to first roast it. I'm going to first put it on fire so that all the feathers they're removed properly, as you can see. So after that, I'm going to remove the intestines. You can see it already had an egg inside. You see it is there. I'm removing it. You see a big one. It was almost going to lay it, so I decided to cut it. So I can see it had also many eggs inside there. You can see them there. I felt bad cutting it, but I wanted my children to eat something special before they report to school. So I just decided that once, and I cut it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to buy another one to replace this one. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I request you to do so for more and more amazing videos. So let's dive into our cutting our chicken and cook it. So now I'm cleaning the gizzard. As you can see, I'm taking my time, but don't worry, I'm almost done. We don't want stones in our kitchen, so let me take my time to clean it properly. Done. So now I'm taking it on fire. I'm going to first put it on fire so that the aroma of it, when you're eating it, it is something else. So as you see, I'm going to first put it on fire. So I request you to stay with me. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere until we have served our food, until we have eaten. It's all done, so now I'm going to wash it thoroughly clean, yeah, properly. Then I cook it, and by the way, today I'm going to cook boil, yeah, like no frying. Yeah, like when I grew up, we never used to fry for chicken, we just used to eat it boiled. So I'm going to call it boil. That's what we call it in our country, Uganda, boil. Naza kuteka boil. So nimbasha baguma nanye mpaka ituramarire mutakaruga umazima mutakandekera mutakande kanyenka kare. So I'm done with the washing. I'm going to put water now and we'll boil it as I'll be cutting ebirungo. Yeah. And remember, don't forget that we have to peel our matooke for our smashed matooke. So yeah, the washing is done now. Let's cook it. Let's put it on fire. So now I'm cutting our virungo, that is tomatoes, carrot, onion, green pepper. We are going to be putting in garlic, yeah, for our delicious chicken, yeah, chicken soup. So it is already looking good. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I request you kindly, please do, for more and more amazing videos. Yeah, Stay tuned. So I'm done with the cutting. I'm going to check if our sauce is ready. Yeah, so that we can put in virungo. Yeah, so it is ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the soup. I first put virungo, they first get ready, then after I put soup. Yeah, as you see, I'm removing it first and I put it back on the fire. So as our sauce and our ingredients, our virungo are getting ready, are boiling, I'm going to be peeling matooke because immediately after removing sauce, I'll put it there, yeah, so we can eat in time. Yeah, so please, I request you kindly don't go anywhere, watch till the end. So I'm done with the peeling. I'm going to cover our matooke with our banana leaves. Here okufundikire emmere omuntu yankwe nikyo tukukyeta mu Ruganda. Omuntu yankwere rukiga okufundikira emmere, so ndiyo ningifundikira gye naheza nkagitambulira, and the banana leaves helps it like to get ready quickly, like the steam doesn't evaporate. Steam neguma omunda omu mmere, so emmere nezitajuba. And neyambaho n'okura nti emmere neerebeka gye, kubanga wateeka emmere etali omu ndagara egyo gy'ogwiko neeruga eri ya white, so olwenda akatoki kawe karuga kari gye ka yellow, use banana leaves as I've done. So you can try it out and see if you have been steaming without banana leaves. Here you can try it out and you see at the end. And our sauce is almost ready, so now I'm going to put in reiko. Yeah, about chico. Yeah, you can see there I have reiko, I have hasmat, I have harambe. So I'm going to mix it so that our soup can be thick. Yeah, you can see our chicken in the saucepan, it is almost ready. So I'm going to mix them in soup, then after I pour in soup, after boiling, that's when I'm going to put our So after mixing in the Reikos, my bunzali, so now I'm going to stir it. As I was saying, I'm going to pour it, yeah, like I'm pouring it in our sauce, in our chicken. Yeah, you can see. Actually, I don't know how you cook yours, but me, if I want to cook better, that's how I do it. So you can share with me like how you do it, how you cook it in the comment section. Yeah, maybe I know that maybe you're learning something from me, but I would really wish like want to learn something from you. So please share with me so that you can learn from each other.
I'm going to put I'm going to put chestnut. Adding with me with my Reiko. I stir. Stir.
So I've checked our sauce has already boiled. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it down and I put on my matooke. Yeah, as I do my other work. Let's wait for matooke, but please I request you not to go anywhere. Stay with me until our food is ready. As you can see, it is ready. Now I'm going to smash it. Yeah, and after we eat our food, please don't go anywhere until we start eating our food. Please watch till the end.
That way, Auntie Abby. Mama will go. Just sit there. Auntie Abby. Auntie Abby.
You're from Chile.
You're saying. You sure that's sauce? If it's good, you give me some. I'll give you. You give some. I want some. You give someone. You give someone, my baby. I'm going to pay you money tomorrow. Comes up. Okay, I give you how much? Okay. 300. Yeah, I said 300. Okay, let me come, yeah? Give her money. It's there, Abba.
So our food is yumilicious. I've tasted it. I wish you're near me so that I can share with you. But on behalf of you, my viewers, I've tasted it. It is yummy. It is delicious. And please, I request you kindly, please don't forget to hit the subscription button.